Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a workspace here in Smartsheet. Alright, so first up, log into your Smartsheet account. And then once done, you actually have two options. First up, under Home or the Home tab, you can just easily click on the Start New Project, Program, or Process button in here. Okay, you can go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be landed to this exact page. Now, to be able to start a workspace, you'll have to select either here, okay, it says Start from Scratch, click on Workspace, or you can go ahead and select from one of these options like Grid, or Report, Form, a Dashboard, a Board, Gantt, or Timeline. Okay. Also, you'll have the same results if you click on Create right here in the left panel as well. Okay, as you can see, nothing happens. You'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, let's say you just go ahead and click on Workspace. There you go. Just wait for it. And here you have your workspace with a sheet with it. Okay. Now, another option, go back to Home, Start. Now let's go ahead and click on from one of these options, maybe a grid or a form. Let's start from a form. Wait for it. As you can see here, it says creating your form in a workspace. There you go. Here we have our form from this untitled sheet. And we'll go check it out. We should have two additional workspaces. Okay. All workspaces right here. There you go. 1, 2. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you create a workspace here in Smartsheet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.